Cycling is fun and thrilling, and to take this exhilarating sport a little further, nowadays, bike commuters modify their bikes and update them with high-end equipment like the GPS bike computer. Some bikers are really serious about different riding metrics like positioning, speed, road distance, riding time, and more. Based on this information, they can consistently evaluate their riding performance. If you're looking for a reliable bike computer to begin with, don't worry, because in this video, we've discussed the top 5 best GPS bike computers for beginners based on their key attributes and performance just for you. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Bright, thoughtful, and easy to use, this Stage's Dash M50 offers you a full assortment of training and workout features to let you measure your riding performance accurately. With a 2.25-inch screen, this bike computer can display speed, distance, time, elevation, cadence, and heart rate in either landscape or portrait mode throughout your ride. It connects to GPS and ZSS with SBS satellite networks to deliver real-time data of your cycling route. And this riding device can constantly show your various metrics for up to 24 hours. Speaking of construction, it comes with a shockproof body and has an IPX7 rating. As a result, it becomes appropriate for all weather use. Lastly, this 3.31-ounce bike computer uses the latest ANT and Bluetooth technology so that you can pair it with almost any device to display a combination of riding data. All said, this Stage's Dash M50 is loaded with innovative and intuitive functions to help bikers track their riding progress and take essential steps accordingly. Ride every road, hill, and curve like the locals and monitor your riding performance with the Garmin Edge 830, specially designed to provide you with tons of riding data to help you improve your force. This GPS bike computer comes with a 2.6-inch display that lets you see through miscellaneous riding metrics. For instance, it features cycling dynamics, which allows you to monitor how your performance changes based on various conditions like position, ride duration, etc. Alongside, it's got a heat and altitude acclimation function, ride-specific mapping, turn-by-turn directions, group messaging system, and so on to take your riding to a whole new level. With more than 20 hours of battery life and waterproof housing, this little 2.8-ounce coach will guide you through more than 200 waypoints regardless of weather conditions. And lastly, it helps you store up to 200 hours of riding history. Overall, when your riding requires you to rely on the best quality GPS with many impressive functions, then this Garmin Edge 830 has got you covered. Built with a large touchscreen display and designed to help riders of all skill levels with its lucrative, high-end features, this Bryton Rider 750 is something more of a traditional bike computer. This bike GPS contains a 2.8-inch color touchscreen that incorporates a new graphical user interface, allowing you to watch various data without straining your eyes. It's got many unique and special functions, such as a voice search option to help you control this riding equipment with a voice command when connected to the internet. Alongside, it gives you a virtual riding function, a follow track option, and a log history feature that lets you store 300 hours of riding data. Finally, this 3.28-ounce bike computer will remain functional in any weather for up to 20 hours thanks to its IPX7 waterproof rating and high-quality battery. In summary, the Bryton Rider 750 looks simple yet boasts tons of high-quality features that will facilitate your riding performance despite the trail conditions. The Hammerhead is immensely popular for its high-end products, and this brand never fails to impress its consumers. This time it comes with the Hammerhead Karoo 2, which resembles the brand's propensity for excellent craftsmanship. The bike computer is made of glass-filled polycarbonate, making it highly robust and durable. Besides, it's got an IP67 rating, so weather and trail conditions will not be a barrier for riding. It also contains a 3.2-inch long smartphone-quality touchscreen display that shows a wide range of cycling data. Furthermore, it has got the highest quality detailed cycling map, turn-by-turn navigation system, ambient temperature sensor, and more, which helps this bike computer stay one step ahead of its competitors. Last but not least, with a powerful 2500 mAh battery, this 4.62-ounce GPS bike computer will constantly provide you with riding data for up to 12 hours. All in all, this Hammerhead Karoo 2 comes with all the essential features that you want from a superior quality GPS to experience extreme riding on unknown routes. Meet our overall best pick, the Wahoo Elemnt Roam, designed to provide you with intelligent navigation and help you with roam on long and unknown trails confidently. Unlike other traditional bike computers, this one has a 2.7-inch Gorilla Glass display, making seeing routes and data more accessible. Alongside, it comes with an ambient light sensor, which helps this device adjust screen light according to the ambient light conditions. Now let's talk about its other innovative features. Well, this bike computer's got a back-on-track function, enabling you to get to your destination even if you veer off course. Finally, this GPS bike computer is super light, weighing only 3.3 ounces, and it is waterproof up to 5 feet thanks to its IP67 rating. It'll help you explore various routes for up to 17 hours before you charge your device. In conclusion, if you search for the best quality GPS to track and enhance your riding performance, then this Wahoo Elemnt Roam needs your consideration. So that was all about the top 5 GPS bike computers for beginners. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.